and welcome back to Hey Mummy. We are very Christmassy in our house, aren't we? Because we've been looking at lots of different advent calendars. If you've watched some of my last videos, you'll see I've been unboxing some of the beauty calendars that are available, and we've also unwrapped one of the squishy ones that we found in Home Bargains today. And today we're looking at how you can make your own calendars. These ones we thought were really cute, and we got these ones on eBay. They were $4.99. There we go. That's number 24.
Oh, no.
That's all right. It doesn't have to be an order. There's your number one. Just really simple idea, and actually something you could make yourself. You don't have to buy them pre-printed. These came with these gorgeous little wooden pegs and a bit of brown string, and they are simply brown envelopes with the numbers 1 to 24 printed on them. And what did we think would be the best things to put into these, guys?
Little letters like be kind to someone for a day.
Yeah, we came up with some ideas. We thought rather than always expecting.
And I got these what we can put in.
Yeah, Ozzy's all about the chocolate, aren't you? These are some of the little things. You guys can be putting them into these envelopes whilst I'm reading them out. So Meg has put pick up litter for 2 minutes, which is a brilliant one. So whatever you open out of these, the kids thought rather than receiving something, which is generally what happens on Christmas Day, that you open lots of presents, these would be more about giving throughout December and making other people happy. And we were talking earlier about how actually by making other people happy, you can also make yourself happy. So the kids, these two have come up with all these different cards to put inside the envelopes. Do you two want to start putting them in and I'll read them out?
Okay.
Put 50p in a charity box. Load the dishwasher and unload the dishwasher. I might get some of these for the kids and just write all my chores and put them inside the envelope.
Why does it say
put 50p in a charity box?
50p in a... That says
charity box.
Charity.
I think Ozzy's lost the will to live. After writing all these, I don't think that's a
charity bowl.
Kiss someone in your family. Come on, give us a kiss.
No.
Not on camera. Ah, thanks, Meg. Phone a relative. Now we thought this was nice, didn't we? Because we've talked about Grandma Joan. We haven't called for far too long, and we need to give her a call and see how she is and see when we can go up and visit her in Buxton. So that's a good one for us. Baked biscuits for a friend. I think you came up with that
Alfie needs that one.
I
think most of them.
Ozzy's just vanished under the table.
Yeah.
Come on, let's sit on it. Oh gosh, right, okay. Help an adult. Well, there's only one adult in our house, so that'll have to be me today. Don't go on a screen for 2 hours. I don't know anyone in this house who could cope with that one. It'd be fun trying.
I could.
Write a letter for someone, I like that. Make breakfast for my mummy. Make something for a neighbour. Phone someone today. Hug every member of your family today. I love that.
I don't care.
Be nice to a monkey today.
I didn't really get
Let me guess which one of you wrote that. Ozzy? Yeah, I think we all know who wrote that one. Mr. Silly Pants. Oh, and be nice to a bear today. I don't even need to ask.
I didn't actually write that. You mean teddy bear?
Honestly. So the plan is for this one is we're just going to fold these up and pop them in, and each day one of the kids is going to open that, and we'll use the pegs that came with it to tie them onto the string. Right, let's move on to this one now, Meg. Ozzy's going to open that one there. And this is the other one that we got. This one here is reindeer boxes, and this is the most expensive one that I bought online. It's $7.98. But look at this cute package that you get in here. So this is on eBay.
The glittery strings are best.
And in here we get 23 of these boxes. You can grab one, Meg, and start making it up.
I'm not sure how to.
So you fold the bottom in like this. Oh, Ozzy's got the other one there. That's gorgeous.
And then what is the
string?
Fashion show.
Right, so in this one, what came with this was these lovely stickers. So we take off number 1 sticker.
Oh, yeah. It's cool.
Oh, they're lovely. And that's your reindeer nose. So we're going to stick the number 1 on there. How cute's that? You can. Here we go.
It's not working.
So you fold in from the side first. And then this one goes in here, and then that one tucks in. Yeah?
Oh.
And then find your number 2 and stick it on as a nose. There we go.
Oh, they're the noses.
Arts and crafts. So,
Rudolph the two-nosed reindeer.
and then guys, we've been trying to come up with some ideas. We'll do that one next. Well done, you. We've come up with some ideas. We thought we could make this into a stationery one. So we found things like paper clips.
What?
You could put paper clips in one. You could put rubbers in the next one.
Just putting chocolate
Mini
in the
pencils.
next one.
Yes.
I don't eat those now.
Ozzy's still thinking about this chocolate. You could put chocolate and sweets. I'm not a massive fan of chocolate and sweets every day of December to start the day off.
Nope.
So I do like finding other things. Also, here's the squishies as well that we had in the advent calendar
We
from
normally
Home
have
Bargains.
salad with our lunch, so we eat the chocolate in the morning sometimes, and then we have
And
salad
then you have to
for lunch.
compensate.
Yeah.
Compensate for the chocolate by eating extra lettuce. Jolly good. So these little squishies, these are kind of nice things. Any teeny tiny toys that fit in the boxes. And then you fold them up. And then where have we got
This
this?
is the bear.
And then we've got this string for hanging them up. I think those are really, really cute. And what fun you can have finding things. If you were going to do these with the kids and parents were included, you could choose who's going to open each one. You've got the giggles, haven't you?
Yeah.
You could choose things like things for adults, so you could put makeup in for girls. You could put lip glosses. Hang on a second. I think Ozzy's just... Well, we're distracted filming. Ozzy's just sat there eating the contents.
I get one.
Right, so hang on, there we go. Right, we'll eat the chocolate after the video. Come on, you two.
Oh, come on.
Right, so the third one that we got off eBay is this one, Christmas hanging gift bag. And for this one, I paid £7.80. Beautiful little felt bags, like this, all come already decorated with the numbers on. And then here we've got a piece of string. So I would put this, we've got some double doors there through into the dining room. I would hang this up there. We also have some sweets left over from Halloween. So that is another option. All of these fit, look, either into the boxes or into Ozzy's bag. She's not sharing. Ozzy, come on, stack your bags up. This is not a good showing people how to make an advent calendar.
It's more like showing people how to steal it.
How not to share your chocolate video this is. This is how to take the chocolate and not share it by Ozzy. Right, come on, put something in your bag.
I'm going to put
Right. That's it.
Oh,
We're gonna...
Nope.
Yeah, I'm sacking Ozzy from the next video. I think we should finish filming right there. What do you have to do with the channel, Ozzy?
Kick him out.
What do you have to do? Subscribe
And share.
and share and like and click the notifications button and tell us what you do for your advent calendars. Do you just get one of the cheap chocolate calendars from the supermarket? Do you make your own like we're going to be doing today? Right, so we're going to crack on. Please do subscribe to the channel and we'll come up with some more ideas for Ozzy to stash his chocolate.
Yeah.
Very soon. Meg's not going to stop giggling before the next video. Ozzy's now dropping chocolates all over the floor. Right, well done. What a brilliant advent calendar arts and crafts video.